Here's a souped up 1965 VW Beetle, what is known as a bug. As you can see, in kind of a dark blue paint. This particular one does have the soft rollback top to it. When I say souped up, this one has a 1900cc engine that is in it, dual carb setup. That is with a manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior of the car, check out the undersides, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Should take a look at the front end here. See the bright work. How the front bumper looks. A little different setup on the interior too. It does have a aftermarket digital gauge cluster that's been added. Different bucket seats. Setup. Body has been stiffened up. Roll type cage in there. Nice little setup. This one will scoot right along for a VW Bug. Come around to the back, let you check this out. You can see it's riding on alloy wheels. It does have front disc brakes. Now, some of the stuff that was recently done to this also, by the way. Service work, kind of list of it here, I'll go down. The engine was recently pulled, as well as the transmission. Seals were replaced. The front end was completely gone through, as well as the steering. Plugs, wires, ignition have been replaced. New clutch, fuel pump, fuel filter, also gone through. Just within 50 to 100 miles before being listed with us. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You'd want to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a little bit of previous bodywork that does show up in the back here just a little bit. This was originally a car out of the Carolinas, FYI. And once again, still pictures. So if you want to check this thing out from every angle, there's probably a good 70 to 80 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. There'll be undersides of it. Check that out. Interior. Engine bay. For right now, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay so you can see the engine running, be able to hear it. Good manual transmission. There's that aftermarket gauge cluster I was talking about. Bucket seats that have been added. Does have the rear seat also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. The auto response on it's very good. Alright, as you can see, the charging, oil temp, fuel gauge, oil pressure. I have not had this radio working. Did have the wipers working. This is the wiper switch right here. These wipers worked. You have some kind of polished aluminum dash inlays. Warm up a little bit. Make sure we're neutral. Alright. Slip around in the back so you can hear this run. Smooth running.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got some polished chrome pieces back here also. And again, 1900cc. So larger than what this would have came with originally. Pretty cool setup. Like I said, good throttle response to it. So it'll scoot right along. 1965 VW Beetle with the rollback soft top, 1900cc engine installed in it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can find the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. consult with your sales associate when you call it or email them.